Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to talk about Saramonic Blink500B2 Plus. Saramonic did send me this sample for testing, but this video again is not a very technical review on this product, but more importantly is that I show you what my experience or my user experience on this wireless mic. So let's get started. I see what we have in the package. So obviously we have this charging case come with the wireless mic. Nowadays most of the wireless mic will come with this type of charging case. So let's see what we have inside the charging case. So we have one receiver, two transmitter, and when you take out the receiver and transmitter, right, they will automatically turn on and connected. The transceiver will connect it automatically to the receiver. And when again, if you put inside the charging case, they will automatically recharge and turn off. Okay, so beside the transceiver and receiver, we have these two connectors that you can actually put it on to the receiver. One is for iPhone and one is for USB Type-C. How we can actually put like that, so we can actually connect it to our phone, the receiver. Okay, let's see what we have in this pouch. We have two deck heads, two cable, one connected to the camera and one connected to iOS. I'm not going to go through very detail on how to use this wireless mic, but I'll put a link that you can watch the video from Saramonic. They have a step-by-step video, very detailed on how you do the setting and how you use the mic. So I'm going to show you one unique feature about this wireless mic. So let me set up my camera and I'll come back in a little while. Welcome back. So as you can see that I rig up my camera with my mobile phone. So I connect the receiver to my mobile phone, and the receiver they have this signal output that I connect with a cable to my camera. What this means? This means that we can record both sound into the mobile phone and camera at the same time. So what I like about this setup is that I can use my camera to shoot at landscape mode for YouTube, and I can use my mobile phone at the same time to record vertical or portrait mode for stories or TikTok. So this setup is very convenient, so that I can do both recording at the same time. So now we are going out to test the range and the noise cancelling function of this Saramonic Blink500B2 Plus on the real world scenario. So let's go. So today we are out to test the Saramonic Blink500B2 Plus to test out the range. I'll walk towards to the end of the building to see whether the connection is still good or not. Okay, I'm start walking now. Okay, so I will walk until towards the end of the building. Then we'll see whether the connection will be still good or will be like, start to have distortion. So now I cannot hear the voice whether it's nice or distortion after our check when I go back to the office. Okay, so now it's still good. It's still good. I try to walk further. So how about now? Now it's still okay, or it started to distort the voice, my voice. Okay. So still a couple of steps more. I will stop somewhere here. Okay. So now I'm facing the camera. So suppose that this Saramonic Blink500B2 Plus have a range of 150 meters. So if that is correct, I suppose to still have a clear voice over here. So when I turn around, you know, so my voice is still clear or is distorted. Now I'm walking back to the camera.